Bringing people and nature together is at the heart of everything we do at Wild Birds Unlimited of Cuyahoga Falls. By providing unique products, quality bird food, service, expertise, and atmosphere, we offer a pleasant, one-of-a-kind shopping experience to help people welcome nature into their backyards.
Locally owned and operated, Wild Birds Unlimited has served Summit County since 1989, with a full-time naturalist on staff and employees that are certified bird feeding specialists. Our goal is to help you better enjoy this wonderful hobby by providing the best local advice and bird feeding products to meet your needs.
With the widest product selection in the area, Wild Birds Unlimited has everything necessary to bring more colorful songbirds into your backyard. Our exclusive advanced pole system, EcoTough hopper feeders, trays, and the tail prop suet feeders, to the new EcoClean tube feeders for both seed and Niger, we can find the right feeding solution for your birds and budget.
The selection of bird food products from quality regionally formulated seed blends, high-quality suet and no-melt dough, a unique variety of seed cylinders, to stackables, and our exclusive Birdacious bark butter products provide your birds with the invaluable fats, calories, and nutrition they need, making every trip to the feeder count.
So discover the refuge in your own backyard at Wild Birds Unlimited on Howe Avenue next to Staples in Cuyahoga Falls. Open Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday, noon to 5.